Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm really in a hurry because I'm going to unbox a product which I want to buy or I want to have it for and wait for a long time. This is a Sony recorder, but what special thing in it? It supports XLR input. This is the first time Sony recorder can support XLR input, and you can use for your microphone or your wireless microphone. So don't waste your time. Let's see what is it and how to use it now. Let's go. Okay, I unbox it now. The box is quite large for a recorder, and how can I? And then there's some here, and then I can so simple. Okay, this is a black box. A recorder inside. Yeah, this is the recorder. I want this 2 XLR port. You can also use the mic, the external mic, I don't know how to call it, to record the sound. Okay, what is inside the box? You can see the installation of this application, and when you buy this recorder, this application is free for you. And then 4 AA battery here, and then a USB Type-C cable, and a user guide or called operating instructions, and then the back for the recorder, and I forgot how to call it again. And then I input my battery first, 4 AA, or called, what's its the other name, HR6 battery for this device. Moreover, you can use this hole to put this recorder on a tripod. And then the power button is over here, and then turn on it. So you can see I've set my time already, so we can see the display on record mode. If you use Sony recorder before, you are familiar with this display. And then recorded file, nothing. I haven't recorded anything. You can play your music through SD card, not the micro SD, or you can use the adapter to change it back to SD card. And it supports, or it uses USB Type-C for power supply here. Okay, and then Bluetooth function, on or off as audio devices, and I will show you this in my next video. Record remote, yeah, NFC setting. The NFC is right here at the bottom of this recorder. And then Bluetooth information is 4.0 and the name is PCM-D10 and the version is 1.3. Auto standby message. Yeah, I will test it next time. Setting. What can we set? Recording setting. We can set recording folder, SD card or built-in memory. It has 16 GB built-in memory and it supports more than 200 GB SDXC card. For this recorder, you can create a folder and then you can change the record mode and MP3 or linear PCM from this range to this range. This is the highest range of this recorder. You can change stereo or mono sound. Here, the mono sound you need to plug in on the left one, so you can use mono sound here. And then if you plug in a mic or something, you need to supply power, you need to use phantom. You can turn on the phantom function plus 48 volt. You can set the peak hold to manual or auto. I set to manual so I can use this one. And then low cut filter, or some product call it high pass filter. Turn on, limiter on, and then this one, okay, you don't need to turn on. Pre-record off, yeah. Plug in power off now. And cross memory record, yes. No SD card. What this function for? You can use this function to record your sound into the SD card and the built-in memory at the same time, so you can have two record folder or files. So it is a great backup situation. Auto track marks, I don't need to use it. Okay, playback setting, equalizer, you can turn on. So it's similar to the Walkman. Oh, I need to turn off. Key change, sharp or flat. It can use for karaoke. Okay, and then easy search. Maybe I don't know what it is. Play mode. As I mentioned, you can play your song from your SD card on this play. Oh, I want to say player. This recorder. And then playback range or selected range. Okay, common setting, LED light on. It is for this buttons. They have LED light. Okay, backlight. You can turn on or off your backlight here with the yellow button. Okay, beep sound, on or off, language. This is from Sony Hong Kong, so I only have English or traditional Chinese for me to choose. Maybe the Japan one only have Japanese or and English for you to choose. I don't know. I don't have one. You can set your time, auto standby, battery setting. Yeah, I'm using this one. Custom key setting. This one is C1 and C2. You can change. Reset or format your memory and SD card. Available record time. Yeah, about 14 gigabytes for you to use. You can record about 4 hours in this bitrate. System information version 1.0, because this is the latest recorder from Sony, so there is no firmware update yet. Okay, and then now the LED light is on. Okay, this is the end of this video. Sorry about that, and I will tell you about the sound quality in the next video. And remember to subscribe my YouTube channel for my latest video. Thank you for watching and goodbye. See you next time.